In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking page on Wix Studio. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelance service provider, having an integrated booking system on your website can streamline your scheduling processes and improve the overall experience for your clients. Let's dive right in and walk through how you can easily set this up on your Wix site. First things first, we need to add Wix bookings to your site. Start by opening your Wix Studio editor. On the left sidebar, you'll notice an Add button, represented by a plus sign. Click on it to access the App Market. The App Market is where you can find various applications and widgets that enhance your website's functionality. Once you're in the App Market, go ahead and type Wix Bookings into the search bar at the top. You'll see the Wix Bookings app appear in the search results. Click on it, and then simply click on the Add to Site button. By doing this, you're integrating the Wix booking system into your website, allowing you to manage your appointments and services seamlessly from your site's backend. Now that Wix Bookings is part of your site, the next step is to add a dedicated booking page. To do this, you'll want to stay within the editor. Look over to the left sidebar again, and this time click on Pages and Menu. This section helps you manage all your website's pages, and it's where we'll be setting up your new booking page. Once you're in the Pages and Menu section, find and click on Bookings Pages. Here, you'll see the default booking pages that come with the integration. But let's add a new one tailored to your specific needs. Click on the Add Page button. When prompted to choose a type of page, go ahead and select Bookings. As you make this selection, you'll see various layout options. Choose one that aligns best with how you'd like to present your booking options. Whether it's a service list or a booking calendar, pick the one that suits your style and business requirements. After selecting your desired layout, you can further customize the page if needed. This could mean changing text, colors, images, or other design elements to ensure that your booking page is not only functional but also visually appealing and consistent with your brand's look and feel. Once your new booking page is efficiently customized to your liking, take a moment to preview it and ensure everything appears correctly. This will be the interface your clients interact with, so clarity and ease of navigation are key. If all looks good, you're all set. Your website now has a functioning, user-friendly booking page where clients can easily schedule appointments and services. Congratulations on setting up a vital tool to enhance your service offerings and boost client engagement through your website.